Alright guys, so I don't know if I filmed this already, but we got the engine out. Please, Alex, please tell me you didn't lock this. He did. Engine's out. This is the donor car. So this is the engine and the transmission and anything else we need. Vice versa, showing you the comparison. A little congested. Alex's door panels. His shit, trash. Brandon's door panels. His shit, clean. So, I think you guys know what's about to go on here. A little flipperoni. You know what I mean? Like that. It's missing on here. Take that, put it here. These fenders. This part is kind of coming up this way. There's a dent here. And I think they've been shifted over. And there's a dent right here on this one. So we're gonna take the fenders. He has a brand new set of headlights for him. And take whatever else we need, you know? So we'll see what he needs. He has like the horns and stuff that Alex doesn't have. So most of the stuff in the engine bay is going on here. So we're gonna get to it as soon as Alex gets here. Also, the radiator is good because it's brand new, along with the mounts and everything else, because these mounts are shit. So the motor starts, so he's going to flip it around with the as fucked up as it is.
This side's fine, the other side.
Take your time. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Oh my god, it's digging into it.
What, the wheel is?
Dude, it's like literally digging into the well.
Oh, that'll be fine. You're just turning around, dum-dum.
This tail light still work. Yeah.
There you go, champ. You got it. Sounds like a fart. It makes a right-hand turn like nothing. You got it, buddy. Just ripping ass on your way here.
I'm sorry, man.
Most redneck shit ever. Let go. We got camber all day right here, boy. All right.
I only got it for mine because
We got everything disconnected here. I got stuff all on my screen. Okay, we got everything disconnected here. We're ready to drop this bad boy. We just put on this new fender and headlight thanks to Brandon. Thank you, Brandon. Sweet, sweet boy. Hey, don't worry, guys. I keep them motherfucking clean. So we're gonna drop it the whole down with the suspension, calipers, the whole nine, and then we're going to lift up this car and take the subframe off and exchange it for that one. And then we're going to clean this. We're going to clean this actually before we even put it in here. So we're probably going to like slide it out, move the car back, clean it here on the floor, and then slide it back in. And then Joe, Mizu Works Detail, is going to do the rest of the work to make it look muy caliente. So that's the plan. Right now, Raul is doing all the interior stuff to the car. He got the door panels on from the crappy looking ones to the clean looking ones. That's what they look like before. That's what they look like now. Open the door. Show the peoples. Yeah, mucho clean, and they work. Good job, Raul. This car is practically stripped. I said this car is practically stripped. Just don't laugh at me. Yeah, pretty much everything's gone out of this. I'm trying to convince him to give him the steering wheel because he's like, oh, no, I want to keep it. I was like, no, give him the steering wheel because his steering wheel's all chewed up. So we'll see if we can convince him to do that. And just like that, Brandon's old car is out of here. We got what we needed. Thank you, Raul. Thank you, Alex. Oh, well, it's for you. Thank you, Brandon. And just like that, it's out of here. The interior looks great. Whoa, I almost snapped my neck on that. The interior looks a lot better. We're gonna have Mizu Works come through here and clean this up. Door panels are great. So, looks a lot better.
What's the number for now? 909?
All clean. I did it. I cleaned it all up. All nice and clean, shiny, smooth. No more grease. There's some mugre in some parts, but you know, what am I gonna do? But nonetheless, it's been a pretty productive day. Oh, my back. So everything's coming out pretty good. Pretty good, guys. Sorry if I look red, but now we got to move this bitch over to the middle and clean up and figure out where we're gonna put that.
You know what I mean?
Brandon's calling you.
Oh shit! I didn't even hear him.
So we got the motor in. We lowered it down. Got everything ready to go. The old rack pinion and everything is right over there next to the man, the myth, the legend himself, Luis. We're here with Frankie. Frankie, you're going to be in the YouTube video. So they're doing a fuel pump over here.
It wasn't working.
What are you trying to do?
I already got most of it done over there.
Fuel pump?
Bro, why don't you put this in the freezer?
I need to.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna take a little fucking break. I guess that's the plan. I'm not too sure. What we're gonna do right now with this is we're gonna jack it up and then align the holes with the bolts and then put the bolts through, dummy them for a second, and then get these pieces, which is these boys have to line up with these here, and then you just put the two bolts in. I know it's a stupid design, but you know, I didn't create it. So everything else though is good. I mean, like, he got his drilled and slotted rotors, which is a big upgrade. Got the brake caliper here. All he needs to do is just connect it from his old calipers, which I'm probably gonna use this as a big brake kit. I don't know, maybe do that. But yeah, we got the new headlights in and fenders. It's a lot cleaner than his last ones. So just waiting for Joe tomorrow. He's gonna come through. He's gonna clean up the whole engine even better than what I did. So yeah. And yeah, I'll turn on the camera again when we have it actually kind of dummied and bolted up. So hold on. The motor is in. It's being held up by its own devices. It is all done. Everything is squared away. All we got to do is plug up the harness, put the little stuff around. Sorry, I've been at this all day. Put the battery tray in, the knickknacks and paddywhacks and give a dog a bones and all that stuff. And then I got to go underneath and do the exhaust and put the suspension up. But subframe is up along with the motor. We did that all in one take. Fucking sucked, but it's in. So we have the car here. We've been leaking power steering fluid, right? Is that power steering fluid?
I think so. Brake fluid.
Brake fluid, power steering fluid. One of the kind of fluids, because we have off the stuff. Man, it is humid. It's like 104 and it's I gotta take off the bumper off of this one. I gotta change out the lights on this one. It's my friend's car. My neighbors across the street. Oh man. And then Mizu Works is coming through, and then I gotta do that Oxido lighting video for him, because I got him we're sponsored by Oxido now. So if you guys need light bulbs, link is down below where you guys can get 15% off of your LEDs. And I don't know if they sell HIDs, but their light bulbs are bright. We have some in his Integra, and his rear taillights are like 500 little tiny LEDs on it, brighter than hell. So we'll see what goes on when he gets here. I got to make a video on that, so there'll be a separate video you guys will see. Obviously, you guys are going to see this one first, then that one, and then another video. So that's the plan. All right, so you see your headlights work. this is now your blinker for some reason, because that's just how it's designed. This is a stationary running light. Here's the only issue I have with it, is that we can't connect your fog lights to it because they bridged into the actual harness of the old light. But here's another problem I have. I think the harness itself on this, or maybe the OEM one, is messed up, but when you pull on it just to come towards you, oh no, it's wants to make me look like a liar. Okay, well, it was turning off, but it's in there, it runs, they're on. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I'm gonna do the other one and then button up everything. Wait, and go ahead. There it is. Because that power steering is empty. Yeah, some stuff in there, but it's kind of empty. Don't see any leaks. Good job, man.
Thanks.
So the car runs, the car is all done. All we gotta do now is bleed certain things like the radiator and bleed the brakes and get the alignment correct, because obviously we're messing with suspension. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys would like to save yourself some money, links are down below where you guys can save yourself 15% off or 10% off certain items. Make sure you guys check it out. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy so you don't have to be. Peace.